Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to show your phone number only to your contacts in Telegram. If you value your privacy and want to restrict who can see your phone number, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance and access to all features. Step 2. On the app's interface, locate the 3 stacked lines icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to access the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the Privacy and Security section, continue scrolling down until you reach the Privacy settings. Step 5. Tap on Phone Number to access the options related to your phone number privacy. Step 6. Among the viewed options, select My Contacts. This ensures that only people saved in your device's contacts will be able to see your phone number on Telegram. By following these simple steps, you can control who has access to your phone number, safeguarding your privacy and limiting it to your trusted contacts. Remember, it's important to regularly review your privacy settings and adjust them according to your preferences to maintain a secure and private Telegram experience. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in assisting you with showing your number only to your contacts in Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Secure your privacy and enjoy seamless communication with your trusted contacts on Telegram.